What's up guys, it's Keaton, Kalani's behind the camera once again, and here we have my 2013 TL again, and as I showed in the reveal video, if you do not have something like a piece of wood propping it up and you just use the hood struts that are supposed to hold it up, it drops right down. So today we have replacement hood struts to put on this so that the hood stops falling and we don't have to use a piece of board to hold it up. So to take these out, you can see there's this little ring right around there, and it's there on the top and the bottom. So basically to take these out, you just fiddle a screwdriver down into it and start pulling it back off. This side's going to be harder because it's getting held up higher than it was before. Come on, little baby. There we go. And once you get it to here, you just pull it off like that. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the bottom. It just comes right off. You can set that aside because it's broken anyway. And then you struggle to open the bag. Got it. You get your new one out, and these actually do matter which side it goes on, because one of them it attaches like this and the opening is on this side, one of them it's on the other side. But so to put the new one in, you just put it right up there, pop it in, and then do the same thing on the top, and then voila, we are finished. Super easy, actually. Much easier than I expected it to be. Well, I expected it to be easy, but not quite this easy. But anyway, if y'all want to see more videos about this Acura, Kalani's Lexus, either of our BRZs, an MR2, a Barracuda, a mini truck, or any of the other projects that I'm forgetting about, two other MR2s actually, like and subscribe, and we will keep putting videos like this out.